Hello, in this video overview, I'm going to show you how to create a screencast using QuickTime, which is an application in your MacBook or your iMac, and it is also something that can be put on a Windows computer as well. So I'm on a Mac, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my hard drive up here, double click. I'm going to press Applications right here and press the letter Q on my keyboard, and there's QuickTime. I can just double click it from here, but if I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use it a lot, I might click on it, hold it, and drag it down to my launcher so I have easy access to it later. So something for you to think about. I'm just going to leave mine right here for now. So I'm going to go into QuickTime. I'm going to go down here to the bottom to my launcher, assuming that I put it in here. And you're going to notice when I click on it, it says QuickTime, but it does not open up any windows. So be aware that nothing's wrong with it. It does not open up a window. So I want to record what is on here, not a video of my face. So when I go up here to File, New Movie Recording is going to record myself, a movie of myself. The camera is going to be on my face. Audio is going to be just an audio file that I can save, but right now I'm actually doing a screen recording. And so when you click New Screen Recording, which is what I'm doing right now, you're going to come up with this little recording box. Now, I'm going to go here to show you what it looks like here. So I'm just going to go here, and this little recording box comes up. Now you're going to see me, but you won't see yourself when you're doing a screen recording. All right, but you will see this here, and you want to make sure that your internal microphone is on, so we make sure that we hear what you're saying. Sometimes people forget to put. All you have to do is once you have turned on your screen recording, you just have to click on this little red dot, and what it's going to do, remember I'm in the movie recording, but yours will say screen recording. When you click on it, it's going to pop up with a window that says, hey, do you want to click just a section of your screen to record, or you want to do the whole thing? I always just do the whole thing. So I just click with my mouse. When I'm ready to go, I just click with my mouse anywhere on my desktop, and it starts recording. And that's what's happening right now. So I'm going to close this right now because I'm not going to record myself. So assume that I've gone to new screen recording. I check the microphone, and I click the red recording button, and it said, yep, do you want just to select a part, or you want to do the whole screen? I did the whole screen. I clicked, and I'm recording, and that's what's happening right now. It's recording. Now for me, what happens, and it's kind of hard to see, but way up here, that is my QuickTime stop button, because it tries to get it out of the way of your recording. So when I'm done showing all the things that I need to do, I'm going to click on this right here. And when you click on it, it's going to pop open a window. So very much like in the movie. So if I go to the new movie and I decide, oh, I want to record, I'm going to record. So I click on this, it's recording, it's recording, it's recording. Instead of clicking on this to stop it, I have to click way up here on my screen recording. All right. When I do that, I'm going to stop here. When I click this, I just need to go up here. It's going to pop open your screen recording, and I just need to go right here to save the recording. And when I do that, it's just going to ask you, hey, what do you want to call this, and save it where you want. All right. I'm going to cancel that for right now because I don't really want this. So I can screen record like I'm doing right now, and it's going to save it to my desktop. When I'm done, I want to drag it into my Google Drive and change the sharing permissions and copy the link and share it in any way that I want. Or I can upload this into my YouTube account, my North Clackamas YouTube account, and make sure that the setting for sharing is unlisted. So that's how you create a video screen recording with QuickTime.